Welcome to Group 8's presentation for the development stage of troll memes. The following content was coded and collaborated on by the team. We attempted and accomplished coding from scratch a fully functional web app.
Hi, I'm Noise and I'm going to be talking about the introduction to the app, bugs and Twitter feeds. On our app we have included an introduction to give our users the basic information they need in order to work the app. As you can see, to get the introduction page you simply select it from the menu bar. On the introduction page it explains that Troll Memes is a collection of various media that allows users to seamlessly share reactions across social media platforms via the use of copy and paste. As you scroll down, it begins to explain what all the icons on the app are for and what they carry out. For example, searching for a troll meme. You can find this icon button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you simply enter in a specific word or meaning and click search. This will then filter through the database, selecting only keywords you have entered and will display the GIFs. With this you will see the date of upload and a link to the GIF. If users are experiencing any sort of trouble when using the app, on the menu page there is a report bug button. Once this is clicked, an online service becomes available where users can email the administrator explaining the problems they have came across and what have occurred whilst using the app. By doing this and sending an email, the bugs will be fixed as soon as possible.
With such a vast range of mobile devices in today's market, we need to build our apps in such a way that they will adapt and change to meet the specifications of the device. This is why we have used the most current advances in web technologies across all aspects of Troll Memes UI design. For scalability, Troll Memes has been created using SVG graphics, font libraries such as Font Awesome, to allow the app's imagery to be scaled without any distortion, meaning that no matter the device resolution, Troll Memes will offer the best possible experience to the end user. In terms of UX design, each part of the user interaction with Troll Memes has been carefully crafted with one objective in mind: keep it simple. Keeping things simple has been at the core of the Troll Memes web app from day one. We want to offer the user a guided and structured experience with minimal frustration or confusion during navigation, management, and basic use of the web app. CSS3 transitions have been used to further enhance the user experience when using some of the features contained within the web app. We feel that this helps to keep the user engaged by offering a more pleasant user experience. jQuery is another key element behind many of the UX design elements contained within Troll Memes. We have also added jQuery Modernizer to ensure that we are offering maximum backwards compatibility for users viewing the app on older devices or browsers.
Hi, I'm Helene. Within our web app, we connect to a database for various reasons. If you use the upload facility that is accessed from the menu tab, you will be able to add your own meme that you have taken from somewhere online to post to friends. To upload, you basically go save the meme that you want to use, then go to the upload page within the app. The first thing you will do is give the GIF a name, then select its category. The category section has a drop down menu where the categories are taken from within the database. The query used to get this information is a group by query, which means that instead of the category showing up multiple times, if there is more than one within the database, it will only pull through one onto the actual app. This makes it more clean and tidy instead of having many of the same categories being taken from the database. The name and reaction fields on the upload form have spam features within them, which means that only 30 characters can be added into the text box provided. If someone tries to add more than 30 characters, they will not be allowed, as the spam feature stops and does not allow any more characters to be entered in. The reason for this is because the app does not allow titles to overflow over each other when on the dashboard. There is also validation on each of the different fields that have to be filled in when uploading a meme. If nothing is entered, then an error message will appear within a red box at the top of the app to alert the users to enter in details to each of the fields provided for them.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and for this part I shall talk about the pagination, which is basically stating that only 5 GIFs will be on each page when uploading a GIF to the web app, as it would take far too long for any more GIFs to be uploaded onto the same page. An example of this, you cannot have 20 GIFs on one page, as it will take a good wee while for them to load immediately after one another. At the bottom of the Upload a Meme page, there are 2 navigation buttons placed to show the users that they can go onto different pages to see different GIFs that others have uploaded. A user then can click on the buttons stating either next and back for the continued 5 more GIFs to be loaded to view, or to go back and view the older 5 GIFs that users have already uploaded earlier on that day. The next part I will be talking about will be the latest news page within the app. This page basically states that the administrator of the web app can post blogs for users to see if anything within the app is changing. A good example of this would be if there are any GIFs of the week which people find the funniest, or relating to the different categories available, so weirdest GIFs, scariest GIFs, and so on. It will also state what offers troll mails have for the users within the days or different weeks.
Hi there, my name is Graham and I'll be taking you through the dashboard featured in Troll Memes. Here we can see the latest posts. These are ordered by the date that they've been uploaded on. This allows for the latest post always to ascend over older entries for fresh results every viewing. On the dashboard we have a limit of 5 posts to help keep load times down for mobile friendly use. On each post we have some search and user friendly information such as a small description or the reaction and the category. Categories are a function we have built in to divide content and file it accordingly. This allows for an extra level of UI friendly elements. For example, a user can tap funny and all the posts that are allocated to this category will be displayed. On the image itself we have included dynamic linking, allowing for a straight link to the raw image or GIF for sharing across social media. We have also included a link field in case the user doesn't get the notion of tapping the image or GIF. Finally, the reaction field. This is what we have had in mind to aid searching for when the databases start to fill with rich keywords and terms. Users are able to input their own short description on what they feel the GIF is a reaction for. Not only does this make the upload more personal, but it also indexes an extra filling method directly functioned by contributors.